Welcome back to the Gentlemen of Distinction, where real men grow, evolve, and unlock their true potential. This channel is dedicated to helping you develop unshakable confidence, strength of character, and a masculine frame that demands respect. If you're ready to level up, let's build the man you're meant to be.
Welcome to the kitchen of life. Listen up, you lot. This isn't some amateur cooking show. This is a bloody intervention. You think you're healthy? You think you know food? You think you can handle a little exercise? Well, get ready to get schooled. Today, we're diving headfirst into the world of organic cooking and fitness. We're talking real food, the kind that doesn't come in a bloody plastic bag, and workouts that'll make you sweat out last night's sins. No more excuses. It's time to take control of your health, your body, and your bloody life. Right, you donkey, let's talk nutrition. This isn't about starving yourself, it's about fueling your body with the good stuff. We're talking macronutrients, proteins, carbs, and fats, the building blocks of a proper meal. And don't think you can skimp on micronutrients either. Vitamins, minerals, they're all crucial. You want to function like a well-oiled machine, not some rusty old banger, don't you? Get this through your thick skulls. What you eat directly impacts how you feel, how you perform, how you bloody live. You put crap in, you get crap out. It's that simple. So, are you ready to ditch the processed garbage and start treating your body with the respect it deserves? Then let's get cracking. Now let's talk organic. I'm not talking about some trendy fad for the faint of heart. Organic food is about quality, you hear me? It's about respecting the ingredients, respecting the environment, and respecting your bloody self. Think about it. Do you want to stuff your face with chemically laden produce pumped full of more crap than a sewer? Or do you want the good stuff, bursting with flavor and nutrients? Organic farming, it's not rocket science. It's about working with nature, not against it. Less pesticides, more flavor, better for you, better for the planet. So next time you're at the market, stop being a cheapskate and choose quality. Your body will thank you for it. Listen up, you disorganized lot. Failing to prepare is preparing to fail. That's why we're talking meal planning. This isn't just about saving time, although that's a bloody bonus. It's about taking control of your diet, your health, your life. Think of it like this. A well-planned meal is like a well-executed service in my kitchen. Everything has its place. Everything is timed to perfection. And the end result is a symphony of bloody deliciousness. No more last-minute takeaways, no more raiding the pantry in a fit of desperation. With a solid meal plan, you'll always have healthy, nutritious options on hand. So get your act together, grab a pen and paper, and let's start planning your way to culinary greatness. Chapter 4. Understanding Whole Foods, the building blocks of a healthy diet. Now let's talk about the stars of the show, whole foods. These are the real deal. The unprocessed, unadulterated ingredients that should form the foundation of your diet. Fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins. These are your weapons against mediocrity. They're packed with the nutrients your body craves, the kind that'll make you feel alive. Stop relying on processed crap that comes in a box. You think you're saving time, but you're shortchanging your health. Get back to basics. Learn to appreciate the natural flavors and textures of real food. It's time to ditch the shortcuts and embrace the purity of whole ingredients. Cooking skills, the art of making simple, healthy meals. Listen, you don't need to be a Michelin star chef to cook healthy meals. It's about mastering the basics, understanding flavors, and having the confidence to experiment in the bloody kitchen. Start with simple recipes, build your skills, and soon you'll be whipping up culinary masterpieces that'll make your taste buds sing. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty, to make mistakes, to learn from your failures. That's how you become a true chef, a master of your own culinary destiny. So put down the takeaway menus, step away from the microwave, and embrace the joy of cooking. It's time to unleash your inner culinary genius. Chapter 6. Mindful eating, paying attention to what you eat and how you feel. Now, this is where you lot really need to pay attention. Mindful eating isn't some new age fad. It's about bloody common sense. It's about slowing down, savoring each bite, and listening to your body's cues. Put down your phones, switch off the telly and focus on the food in front of you. Appreciate the textures, the aromas, the flavors. This isn't a race, it's about enjoying the bloody experience. And for God's sake, listen to your body. When you're full, stop eating. Don't stuff your face like you're competing in a pie-eating contest. Mindful eating is about developing a healthy relationship with food. It's about nourishment, satisfaction, and bloody enjoyment. All right, enough about food. Let's talk about getting your lazy asses moving. Exercise isn't a punishment, it's a privilege. It's about pushing your limits, testing your strength, and proving to yourself that you're capable of more than you think. We're not talking about becoming Olympic athletes overnight. Start small, find activities you enjoy, and make movement a non-negotiable part of your daily routine. Walk, run, cycle, dance, swim. Find what gets you moving and make it a habit. Your body is a temple, not a bloody armchair. So, get off the couch, put down the remote, and let's get moving. It's time to unleash your inner athlete. Now, let's talk about building some bloody muscle. Resistance training isn't just for bodybuilders, it's for everyone. It's about getting stronger, increasing your metabolism, and sculpting a physique that'll make you proud. We're talking weights, resistance bands, bodyweight exercises, anything that challenges your muscles and forces them to grow. Don't be afraid to push yourself, to feel the burn, to embrace the challenge. The feeling of accomplishment after a tough workout is bloody addictive. So hit the gym, find a workout buddy, and let's get those muscles pumping. It's time to build a body that's as strong as your willpower. Listen up, you lot. Your heart is a bloody vital organ, not a punching bag. Cardiovascular exercise is crucial for keeping it healthy and strong. We're talking running, swimming, cycling, anything that gets your heart rate up and your blood pumping. Don't be a couch potato, content to let your heart grow weak and lazy. Challenge yourself, push your limits, and feel the exhilaration of a heart working at its peak. So lace up your trainers, find a hill, and get that heart pounding. It's time to show your cardiovascular system some love. Now, don't think you can neglect flexibility and mobility. You want to be able to move freely without pain or restriction, don't you? Then listen up. Stretching, yoga, Pilates, these aren't just for yogis and dancers. They're essential for everyone. They help improve your range of motion, prevent injuries, and keep you feeling loose and limber. Don't be a stiff, inflexible mess. Make time for stretching, even if it's just for a few minutes each day. Your body will thank you for it in the long run. So find a quiet spot, roll out that yoga mat, and let's get flexible. It's time to loosen up those tight muscles and move with grace. Now listen carefully, you overachievers. Rest and recovery aren't for the weak. They're just as important as exercise itself. Your body needs time to repair, rebuild, and come back stronger. We're talking quality sleep, rest days, active recovery. Everything your body needs to recharge and prepare for the next challenge. Don't be a hero and push yourself to the point of burnout. Listen to your body's signals and give it the rest it deserves. So switch off your mind, get some quality shut-eye, and let your body do its thing. It's time to recharge those batteries and come back even stronger. Now, this is the most important lesson of all. Consistency and discipline are the key ingredients to long-term health and success. This isn't a bloody sprint, it's a marathon. There will be days when you don't feel like it. Days when you want to quit. Days when you want to stuff your face with junk food and wallow in self-pity. But it's on those days that you need to dig deep, find your inner strength, and remind yourself why you started this journey in the first place. So make a promise to yourself to show up every single day, no matter what. Consistency is key, discipline is non-negotiable, and the rewards, a healthier, happier, more fulfilling life. Now get to it. Right, you lot, we've covered a lot of ground today, from the basics of nutrition to the importance of consistent exercise. Now it's time for you to take this knowledge and bloody use it. Remember, this isn't about quick fixes or fad diets. It's about making sustainable changes to your lifestyle, changes that will benefit you for years to come. So get out there, embrace the challenge, and start living your best, healthiest life. Now bugger off and make me proud. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content.
Thanks for watching the Gentleman of Distinction channel. Now, it's time to take what you've learned and put it into action. Remember, growth is a journey. and you're one step closer to mastering your masculine frame and unlocking your full potential. If you found value in today's video, drop a like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on the next step in your journey. Stay focused, stay disciplined, and as always, gentlemen, keep leveling up.